Welcome to the backyard farm. It's Today we are on a mission to found you, number 1. So now we have 3. That's number 4. This is number 5. Aha! We take this one. So I like the cherry tomatoes and this pepper and in a Conqueror roaster. Conqueror roaster, which actually this one's ready to pick. It's turning orange and green. What we're doing in our tacos. Pull that off right there.
That's kale, I think, right?
Yeah, let's get some kale. Okay, now it's clean. Let's get a bunch of basil. I think it's a bell pepper.
Bell peppers?
Yep.
Oh.
It's either that or a banana pepper. These are some ripe ones.
That's it?
No. I like spicy stuff.
See ya.
Ooh, that's a great one right here. Okay, I think now we're ready. This is purple kale, and then this is scrunchy kale. These 2 peppers are both like bell peppers. This is a banana pepper for sure. And then we have a tomato, a conca, and then 2 spicy peppers and a whole bunch of either oregano or basil. That's basically like all the main ingredients of our tacos.
Whoa, whoa, whoa there. What are you guys doing?
Cutting?
You're cutting stuff? Dad's gonna take over the dangerous part. You guys got to do the fun part, but can you guys be my sous chef?
Yeah! We went to the grocery store right in our backyard and we got a bunch of healthy produce. All of the stuff you see here, we picked straight from the garden. Today we're gonna do Tegan's tacos.
Well, I'm gonna step in here and help these guys out. Let's see what we're gonna make. It looks to me, are we making Tegan tacos?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey buddy, you want a pro tip on how to cut the kale up super nice and easy?
Yeah.
Right, all you do is you fold the kale over like that, and then you kind of take your knife and you come in here and you just follow that stem line, and you just boom, and you hack that thing right off, and now all of that stem is not in the meal, which is gonna be really nice. All you do is you come in here and you chop that right at about that level, and then boom, the little stem just pops out. Isn't that cool? Then you can use basically 99% of the pepper, and all you throw away is that. And then of course, the seeds. I'll prep stuff for you for the chopper. Yeah.
Hog smash!
Talk to you about, which explains why food and cooking is so sacred. So first off, we've got to remember the plants that we grew, the whole life journey, really. Be grateful and thankful for Mother Nature as you're cooking them. And it makes cooking sacred. At the end of the day, you really gotta have those memories to be able to think about when you're eating this food with your family. It's sure to make this dish super bomb. What are you guys throwing in your tacos tonight? Let's find out how ours finish up. All you gotta do is chop this thing into thirds, put it in here, smash it, buddy.
T, give me a thumb up.
You guys ready for this?
Good.
Super slow and dramatic. I'm gonna roll it up for you. You gotta fold the ends and then you just roll it. But that thing is super hot. So take that to the table and just let it chill. Whoa. Health is wealth and food is medicine. Food is the key to health for you and your family. We appreciate you guys following us at Backyard Farming Supply in the kitchen for Tegan's Tacos. Have a great day.
Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for the Dooley family.